Hello students, welcome back to KVR Academy online study channel. Myself Ramasmaya, your chemistry teacher. In previous video, we discussed about how to separate cream from milk. In this video, we are going to discuss that how two immiscible liquids can be separated from each other. Two immiscible liquid means the liquid which don't mix each other truly. So today we will discuss this thing. For the separation of immiscible liquid, here apparatus is set up. So what are the materials required? First we should know. So materials required. As you know, oil and water. So oil, water, this one beaker, separating from and this one stop cock. And this one stand. Now we will discuss the procedure how to do this experiment. So procedure. First of all, we will put the mixture in this separating funnel. So pour the mixture in separating funnel. So after pouring it, we will let it undisturbed for some time. So second step, keep it undisturbed for some time. So that two layers of water and oil should form. And when two layers is formed, then open this stop cock. Open the stop cock and collect the lower layer. And lower layer will be water because oil is less denser than water. So oil is lighter and that water is heavier. So it will go downward. So lower layer, we can write it water. Open the stop cock and collect the lower layer in beaker. So we will collect water in beaker. In fourth step, close the cock, means stop cock when upper layer reach up to stopcock. And when we will close this stopcock, so the oil will stop here, and we have already collected water in the beaker. So in this case, water will be in the beaker and oil will be in the separating funnel. Means both liquids are separated. Water in this beaker and oil in this separating funnel. So this way we can separate two immiscible liquids. So what is the inference? What we can guess? That the two immiscible liquids can be separated by using separating funnel. So what are the application of separating funnel? So it is used to filter water and oil from each other. In the excretion of iron from its ore, means from iron ore we can get iron by separating funnel method. So these are the some uses of separating funnel for today. That's all. Thank you.